Well, hello guys, and welcome back. If it is your first time here, my name's Jen, and I am a self-taught nail enthusiast. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking off my old set using this nail drill from 5 Angelus. If you remember, they are the nails that had the Tipex, like the built-in Apex nail company. So we are going to be reviewing a nail drill from them today. So let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is from 5 Angelus. Again, same company as the Tipex nails that I reviewed. Now, you really want to stick around to the end because I have a little giveaway with them and you'll find out how to enter and what you're going to win at the end. But right now, let's focus on the drill. So, they are claiming that this nail drill is going to elevate your nail game. If you can see that on the box. So, let's go ahead and open this puppy up and see what is inside. So it looks like inside we've got some instructions and features and then kind of just, telling us how to use this thing. So this looks like your typical beginner nail drill. It does need to be plugged in, but before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything out. It's the kind of nail drill that just gets plugged in and it has, it has that little slide thing on the side where you control it that way. All right, so it is not rechargeable, it's not cordless, so you will need to plug it in at your desk. Let's just throw that on my bed for now. I am gonna plug this in, but for now I just want to kind of show you it. So it looks like it's friction based, or is it not? Oh, you unlock it down here. Oh, interesting. Okay, I thought I saw, it looks like they gave us a safety bit here, a fine safety bit, and I'm just going to be removing nail polish or gel polish today, so that should work. So I'm just going to go ahead and replace that and put that in here. It is very small, short, I will say. Let me see, in comparison to my Melody Susie handpiece that's on my desk. It's a little shorter, not much. I would say the width is nice. I do kind of like a little bit of girth to my nail drills. I do. I don't know why. I don't know. Maybe just I have big hands, I think, so I just like to have something to hold on to. And the one thing that I do find cool is a lot of times, I had one of these drills, not this one specifically, but I had one that had this thing, but it was a little black dial on the side. You had a little plastic switch that was for reverse or forward, and then a dial, and it had 2 speeds. It was fast and faster, and I used to cut myself up with that thing. So that is what I'm going to be looking for here. Is the speed really evenly distributed? This goes up to 30,000 RPMs. There's no numbers on the side here, but going up is forward and going down is reverse and middle is off. So you kind of just gauge it that way, I guess. So I'm gonna plug this thing in so we can kind of talk about it more, but I will say the things that it's claiming is that it's smooth, easy to operate, not hot, it doesn't heat up, it has efficient heat disbursement, and it's fine for the natural nail. I don't like using these kinds of things on my natural nail, these ones, but again, I'm trying not to judge this based on the cover because you never know, it might be good. So let's go ahead and plug her in and then we can kind of see what she sounds like, if it's really low, if we see any wobbling before I start using it. Alright, so before I get too far ahead of myself, the price of this is currently $37.99 on Amazon right now. I do not have an affiliate code with them or a coupon code with them. This was merely sent to me in sort of a good faith effort to make up for the fact that we didn't get to do our collab for the nail tips, okay? So they sent this to me as well as the nail tips and just basically said hey, we'd love to hear your opinion on it. So that's why I'm reviewing it today. Now, let me put my sleeves up and let's jump right in here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna turn this up slowly. It's kind of, I don't know if you can hear that. It's a ringing sound. The vibration on it looks good. I'm gonna try to zoom in, but it's definitely not that quiet. That's probably 10,000, 15, And that's full power. That seems pretty loud. I don't see any wobbling. Like if you look right in here where the drill bit is, I don't see any wobbling of it. Like it doesn't look like it's crooked or anything like that. There's no issues there. I mean, it looks good. Let's see my desk drill, how loud she is. Let's just turn it on real quick. I know I give a gender to everything. I'm so sorry. I mean, I think this is louder, but this is also 35 RPMs, so that almost has like you're on an airplane and your headphones are in and you hear that sort of like white noise, you know, from the airplane. This is almost like an annoying like buzzing sound, because I'm sure that it's not easy for you to hear it, but I think it's time we try this baby out. Now I'm gonna try to put it on like as low as I can, and I'm gonna start on my thumb. And yes, I already started filing my thumb off, and then I was like, oh crap, I have a drill. So I'm just gonna start kind of working here in the forward position, and let's just see how I feel about it. Now again, I have it on low. I might have to crank it up a little higher, but I'm not gonna get my dust collector so that way you guys can hear me. It's always interesting. There is a little wobbling. I'm gonna turn it up just a smidge. I will say it is already better than the one that I had when I first started doing nails, because that thing was so fast. You just could not control it at all. And I mean, I would barely turn it on. And I remember people would make comments like, you need to turn that thing down. I'm like, I can't turn it down anymore. Like, it's down, you know? But, it's got a good, like, low speed on it. It does. I'm going to turn it up just a little bit more. I don't want to go too fast because I don't want it to be too loud that you can't hear me, but, oh, that's nice. It feels nice and smooth. I will give it that. It sure does. It feels nice. Coming in here, I just have regular nail polish on. I forgot. I even have gel polish on, so I probably could just like soak this all off, but I'm just doing it here for camera purposes. But I could probably just use like the mandrel bit that they gave me, but I wanted to try out the safety bit. I never really try that one out anymore. And honestly, it is working great. I feel like it's doing a good job. It's doing a really good job. It feels smooth. It doesn't feel uncomfortable. I don't feel like I'm losing control of it, and I certainly would lose control of... Sorry, I'm trying to get you guys so you can actually see what's going on. And for some reason, it just wants to focus on something else. But anyways, yeah, I would be like rolling all over my finger right now if it weren't for this guy. Like, I don't know what the old one that I had, like my first videos, you guys probably don't even remember, but it was something like this. It was very similar. You just kind of plugged it in and you had a little dial on the cord, and that was it. This is pretty good for what it is. It feels comfortable in my hand. I feel like I'm in control. I don't feel like it's going too fast. I don't feel like it's vibrating too much. It's definitely not heating up. I am pleasantly surprised. I am very surprised, actually. I'm gonna do one more finger off camera, just to make sure, because my thumb is like the easiest finger. So actually, let's just go ahead and hop over here, see how she does. Amazing. Yeah, it feels nice. Okay. Do I wish that the cord was a little longer? Yeah, I do. Because I feel like if you were sitting at a nail desk working on a client, you might have a hard time with this. Like if your plug was like on the wall or something like that. Because like my plug is like right in front of me, right? The wall is literally right there, not too far off camera. So, but, and like if I pull this, let me just turn this off real quick. So it's going underneath my desk on this side. So like this is going under my desk, right? and that's how much cord I have. So I don't have like an actual desk, right? Like a nail desk. I have like a tabletop on top of a desk. So I don't work on other people. I only work on myself. But if I was working on clients, it might be a little hard. Like I might need to finagle some way for that. But as far as this little guy goes, I do want to just go ahead and do one more finger off camera and then come back and kind of give you guys my final thoughts and let you know what I think about it. All right? All right. Well, I mean, overall, I'm pleasantly surprised with this nail drill. I think for the type of nail drill that it is, it's pretty good. I don't want to say for the type that it is because it's a pretty good nail drill. It's not bad. It's very similar to, I would say, the feel of like the wireless Melody Susie ones, but not, they have a little bit more power behind them. Like this doesn't feel like a very powerful drill. So I think that you could remove like acrylic with it? Maybe not, but for someone that's just doing like gel polish at home, Manny's like, I think that it would be fine for that kind of thing. I do think the price is a little steep. For $37.99, there are other drills out there that you can get for a little bit cheaper than this drill, and it may be like a little bit nicer. So it really just depends on what you're looking for. If you really don't have a lot of space, I think it's a great drill. But at the same time, I do think there are some other drills out there that for the price point, maybe you're getting a little bit more power behind it, if you know what I mean. So I don't hate it. I'm not like completely obsessed with it. All right. But that's the whole point. They wanted to hear my opinion. They wanted me to give them, you know, some tips or what I thought about it. So, and that's what I think. I do think it's a nice little drill. For a beginner, I think it's the kind of drill that a lot of us start out with. And it's a little better than those like really crappy ones that I started out with for sure. So, thank you for sending this to me. And thank you for letting me try it out because that was very sweet. You guys did not have to reach out to me again and send this to me. So, because Five Angelus did reach out to me, they sent me another set of their 500 sculpted tips that includes the nail glue and all that you need. And I'm going to be giving this away to you guys for all of your support. So all you got to do is go down in that comment section and comment nail drill. This giveaway is only open to people in the United States. Unfortunately, I just cannot, afford to ship internationally at the moment. So it's a US only giveaway. But I just want to say thanks to you guys also for being here and supporting my channel. And thank you so much, Five Angelus, for reaching out and sending me another set of your nail tips because that was very sweet of you. So don't forget, comment down below nail drill and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. You must be subscribed, okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell notification button before you guys leave. Bye guys.